doing a little thing here, just kind of off the cuff, because my phone went dead the other day. We went to pick my son up at the airport. We went there and we were parked waiting. We actually got there early, and we were sitting there waiting for him to sit like in what they call cell parking, and they either text you or call you and tell you, hey, come get me here. And so we were sitting there waiting, and as you'll see in the video here that's coming up, all of a sudden all these fire trucks showed up, and supposedly there was a plane going to have an emergency landing. Well, just to let you know, the final thing is that our son was fine. There was no problem. It wasn't his plane, but we'll just show you what we went through, sitting there seeing all these fire trucks come through. So here's the video on that. Came to the airport to pick our son up, and now all of a sudden, that one yellow fire truck over there was pre-staged. Huh? And now we got that one there and that one there coming in, turning around. There must be something going on, and our son's airplane's about to come landing. Here comes another fire truck from, okay, there's definitely something big going on. There's a chief.
That one says Special Operations Rescue.
Battalion Chief right there. Man, there's another fire truck. This plane should be landing in 8 minutes. That yellow fire truck out there, see it right next to that arrow there. That guy pulled out there, what, about 10 minutes ago?
About that.
And now these guys are all around us here.
We're in the cell lot.
Well,
Waiting for a text.
yeah, we're waiting for a text from my son to come get him, which should be in about 10 minutes or so. There goes the chief. The other fire truck over there. I think you're right. I don't think we're going to get out of here until whatever happens, happens. He turned off all his blinky lights. And now they're all leaving. At least those two are. Where'd they go?
Down the road. Where they came.
This guy over here is moving. They must be doing another runway. See the yellow one's moving out there? They've all turned off their blinky lights. Except for that one guy, and he's flying over there. Trying not to move too fast, but I don't know if you can see him way over there. Must be a different runway they're going to. He's moving out over there. These guys are going to the right. So anyway, that's how it kind of went down. My phone went dead right in the middle of that, but all the fire trucks left and we went over and picked our son up and had a great weekend. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it and would love to have you subscribe. So have a great day. Thank you.